To schedule an advisement appointment, you can download the Navigate Student app and log in with your CUNY First credentials. You will reach the main menu page, click on Appointments and press Schedule Appointment. Click on the type of appointment and click on Virtual Seat. Make sure to click on Virtual Meeting Appointments. Select your advisor, pick the time and date that best works for you. In the comment section, make sure to add your major, minor if you have one, and the way you want to meet with your advisor, WebEx, Zoom, Blackboard Collaborate, or by phone. Include your phone number so that your advisor can call you. Add what you would like to discuss, such as academic advisement, course concerns, CUNY First Holds, Dolphin Cove, financial aid, grade appeals, personal concerns, and probation/warning status. You will get a reminder email with the link and instructions for your appointment. If you decide to meet online, click on the link. If you are meeting via phone, expect a call at the time of your appointment.